That is because they can't procure it themselves. Some politician has to see which tender is going to benefit him more, so that you can come out with some more scams. I mean, there is a scam on everything that the government needs to procure.
Mr. Bajwa, is it not a big shame that since 1985, you've got the former NSG chief telling us, we haven't been able to buy ladders. No wonder we can't get CCTV cameras in 3 months. We haven't been able to get ladders in the last 25 years.
I fully agree. You have the former NSG chief, and I think so. What kind of leather is it? It's not a snake leather or that leather. I'm surprised.
No, whether it's snake ladder or Martian ladder, if the NSG needs it, bring it.
If it's available. There next very day. How can you counter terrorism if you don't have all these facilities? I fully agree.
No, but if you agree with everything, Mr. Bajwa, why does nothing happen? Why does nothing change?
See, I'm not the Home Minister, you know. So I have, see, this is where it is. We will basically talk to the Prime Minister. And it is my suggestion also, it is high time India had its full-fledged cabinet minister on internal security. See, we have to take all these things more positively and all.
No, but you've got plenty of bureaucrats. The problem is none of them are doing their job. You create another man, you put him there.
See, another point is, if you go through the Home Ministry thing, there are 8 additional secretaries and 1 secretary, 20 joint secretaries, and there are just 2 police cadre officers, all are IS officers.
And they have no knowledge about
they have no
That's very crucial. But if everybody knows everything, why is nothing done? I want to go across to Mr. Raman. Why are our systems not changing? These are exclusive pictures we are getting from inside the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. The Prime Minister, straight from the airport, went to the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. Mr. Raman, we just heard for 25 years the NSG chief says the NSG hasn't got ladders. That's pathetic. I feel ashamed as an Indian.
No, some of these things are very unfortunate, and these kind of delays occur because we do not have, there was a reference to the need for the creation of a separate Ministry of Internal Security so that the minister who is in charge can concentrate totally on counter-terrorism. That has not happened. This has been talked about for quite some time. And so there is a need for, just as the United States, one of the first decisions which were taken after 9/11 was to have a national counterterrorism coordinator. They got now the National Security Advisor, the National Counterterrorism Coordinator, who works directly under the President, who sees to it that these kind of things do not happen. Whatever deficiencies are there, whatever requirements are there, and all that, they are met. But we are not thinking on those lines. As a result, nobody knows who is responsible for coordination.
No, we are thinking, we are talking, we are not doing anything, and that's the problem, Mr. Garg, that all we do is we think and we talk, nothing happens, nothing changes. Everybody says, yeah, we know aisa hona chahiye, and yet at the end of it, nothing happens.